Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 5. The Code. Early in the morning, I sat at my desk. Fingers tapping keys like raindrops on a tin roof. The code stared back, neat lines and curly brackets, a puzzle daring me to solve it. I traced each loop, each variable. Talking to myself like an old farmer counting sheep, wondering if this digital land would yield fruit. Outside, neighbors went about their chores, some with horses, some with hoverboards, all circling life's ordinary rhythm. I paused for coffee, watching the sun stretch over rooftops, feeling the quiet pulse of work and life entwined. Hours blurred, the screen reflecting my tired eyes. But a small thrill kept me alive, a spark in the wires. When the final bug fell, I leaned back, letting satisfaction settle deep like winter snow. I imagined this code running everywhere. From old towns to new cities, a language that stitched together human ambition, care and cleverness, all in tiny glowing lines. Now listen to the poem. I sat before the glowing screen, tracing loops and variables unseen. Each line a puzzle, neat and tight, a challenge in the morning light. Outside, the world moved on, horses, hoverboards, dusk till dawn. Coffee warmed my weary hands, while code obeyed my careful commands. Hours passed, focus held, a small thrill in circuits swelled. The final bug fell. Peace arrived, satisfaction stirred. The code alive. Lines of human thought entwined. In digital worlds, our hearts combined.